Hey everyone, welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's start. In a deep pan, heat together 625 ml water and a can of milkmaid or any other condensed milk. Mix and let it boil for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. While the milk is boiling, mix together in a bowl 80 grams of fine semolina or Suji and 2 eggs. Whisk to combine. Take half cup of the boiling milk and mix into the egg semolina mixture while stirring vigorously and continuously. This method will prevent the eggs from curdling in the pan. Now pour this in a thin strand into the milk pan, stirring continuously. Now heat the pudding on high flame, whisking all the way until it is thickened. You'll know that it's done when it coats the back of a spoon, and with another spoon you can draw a clean line through it. Cool the pudding for 5 minutes, then pour into a dish and refrigerate until set and cold. Top with slightly sweetened whipped cream. With the back of a small spoon, make a line pattern on the whipped cream. Pour rose syrup in alternate lines. And garnish with dried fruits. Giant ice cream sandwich.